for the annual Merenara Hula Festival. So we decided to let the little hula sisters come join them as they take a short parade. So you're going to be in for a treat. These are our keiki, our kamalii. And they're going to share with you a mele. Also, in honor of Pi'iaka Ikapoliopele and her sister. The mele is entitled O Panaewa o Hi'aloaloa. And they will utilize the hula kala'au. It's something they've been working on for just a short while. But we figure we give you folks all a treat and let it be their debut and share it with all of you. So I hope you enjoy it. Ma go go. O Panaewa, o Hi'aloaloa, o Hi'auli'uli I Kauae. O Panaewa, o Hi'aloaloa, o Hi'auli'uli I Kauae. I mokupe waia, I mokumokula, I kala'au o ke pakeka. I mokupe waia, I mokumokula, I kala'au o